Looking to make your iPhone feel more personal? In this video, I'll show you 2 easy and effective ways to add your name to your iPhone's lock screen. We'll cover one built-in method and one method using a third-party widget app. So let's get started. Method 1. Add your name using focus mode. First up, let's use the focus mode feature. This method doesn't require any third-party app. We'll create a custom focus mode that displays your name as a label on the lock screen. Go to Settings. Then, Focus. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Select Custom from the list of focus types. In the name field, type the name you want to appear on your lock screen. Choose an icon to go with it. Then tap Next. Once done, go to the Control Center. Tap Focus and enable the custom mode you just created. Now lock your phone and wake the screen. You'll see your name at the bottom of the lock screen. It's a subtle, clean way to have your name always visible. You can turn it off anytime from the Control Center. Method 2. Add your name using WidgetSmith app. Now let's look at the second method. Using a free app called WidgetSmith to place a custom text widget with your name on the lock screen. First of all, go to the App Store and download WidgetSmith. It's free to use for text widgets. Once installed, open the app. In WidgetSmith, there are widgets for home screen, lock screen, and control center. Tap lock screen to filter those. We'll use a rectangular widget for a full name display. So tap Add Rectangular Widget. Now, it will prompt you to choose a widget type. Select Custom Text. This allows you to set any text you want. Now tap the Text tab to edit the content. Here, type your name. You can include multiple lines if needed. For example, you can add a second line for a phone number for a lost case scenario. Consider using the phone number of a trusted friend or a family member. To show you, I'll just add my name. You can also customize how the text looks. Switch to the Theme tab. Here, you'll find options to change the text background and font style. Set the background to none to keep it transparent, so it doesn't block your wallpaper. Also, choose a clean font that will be legible on your lock screen. Most fonts in WidgetSmith are available for free, while some fonts are marked with a star to indicate they may be premium. But in my testing, even the starred fonts could be applied without a subscription. So, you will likely be able to use any font without paying. Now tap the settings at the top. From here, rename the widget so you can recognize it later without adding to the lock screen. Tap Save. Now that the widget is created, exit WidgetSmith and go to your lock screen. Long press on the lock screen to enter the edit mode. Tap Customize. Then select Lock Screen. In the Customization view, tap on Add Widgets. A panel of widget options will slide up. Scroll down and select WidgetSmith from the apps list. You will see available widget sizes. Choose the rectangular widget. It will appear as a blank rectangle on your lock screen. Tap on that rectangle on your lock screen. A menu should pop up from WidgetSmith showing the names of the custom widgets you have made. Select the text widget you saved earlier. The rectangle should now show your name on the lock screen. It will remain there just like any other widget. You can also add a battery or weather widget beside it if you want. If everything looks good, tap Done at the top right to save your lock screen layout. And that's how you can easily add your name to your iPhone lock screen using just the Focus feature or the WidgetSmith app. Both methods are clean, customizable, and work perfectly on any iOS version. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new personalized lock screen.